This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CR-V battery. This process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to safety and proper steps. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to making the final connections. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear and ensuring your vehicle is completely off before you begin any work. Let's get started with the first crucial steps. Now let's disconnect the old battery safely. First, locate the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove this cable first. Remember, always disconnect the negative terminal before the positive. Next, proceed to loosen and remove the positive cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in its tray, preparing it for removal. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Carefully lift it straight out of the battery tray, as batteries can be quite heavy. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connections thoroughly. This ensures a good connection and prevents corrosion. Now, gently place your new battery into the clean tray and reattach the hold-down clamp, securing it firmly in place. Now for the final connections. Always connect the positive battery cable first, ensuring it's snug and secure. Then, connect the negative battery cable and tighten it firmly. For added protection and longevity, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Once everything is connected, start your Honda CR-V to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.